Where's your toy? Where'd it go? Go get it. Go get it. Oh, good job, buddy. Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. You can do it, William. You're working so hard. Say hi, Mom. You can do it. I know, you're working so hard. There's your friend Zeke. Oh my goodness gracious. You're all over the place now. Zeke, stop that. That's yucky. Zeke, you're making a mess. Okay.